Hi all, I'm at the Monkey Temple. I had to climb about 1,000 stairs to get up here. Actually, quite literally could have been 1,000 stairs. Here's some of our little monkey friends. And here's some more monkeys and a view. Quite a view, actually. Look, here's some more monkeys. I'm not sure which ones are the scary ones, the black ones or the white-faced ones. But I'm going to just kind of keep my distance from all of them. I'm taking this video as much for everyone back home as I am for Rowan, because he's been sick, so he couldn't make it up the stairs. I don't know if you can see how many monkeys there are around. A lot. They're digging through, trying to find some banana skins. Look, and there's a baby. I don't know if you can tell how close I am. I'm really close. Yeah. I'll just go quickly get to the view over here. Here's just a little one. Hi, little monkey. Hi, little monkey. Here's a whole bunch. Here's the French panny tree and part of the temple. And I'm just about out of time, so I'll quickly give you a panoramic view of the rocks and the surrounds. And some monkeys. Alright, until later.